First put my questions to because I wanted to apply to tender and then I put questions.
You apply to tender this?
Yeah, yes, yes, my lord. I want to tender it. I want to tender it, my lord. Yeah, I want to tender. I want to tender. I want to tender both of them, my lord. I want to submit on them. Because my lord, we have seen his handwriting. Thank God now we have it. And I'm going to show you the letters which are similar and the ones which are not. So let me ask him my questions and then we close on this afternoon.
You want second?
I don't I pray to take.
Also this one?
Yes, yes. Those are already exhibited.
But you want to
yes, my lord. Yes, my lord. My lord, I agree to tender the sample handwriting in respect of PE 96 and of the witness PW 21 and the sample handwriting of PE 97 as defense exhibits. Then let's close this part.
In respect to PE 96 submitted in evidence and marked E6. 16.
Something like mark what?
16.
DE6.
That one is top 100 in respect to 96.
96.
In respect to P97 is submitted in evidence and not D17.
How much of that? So, Mr. Mbwa, I want you, I'm going to give you this handwriting. The one you have in 96. It will be the whole of it is yours. Now, you said these first two are yours on 97, but this is not yours. It's the last one. And it was filled by Orugu, correct? For you, that's submitted. And it has Orugu, correct?
Let me have a look at it.
Yeah, this is 97. 1 and 2 pages, you say they are yours for ballistics. And this last one is for Orugu. So look at Orugu's and then your entire 96. And get what you have just written on 96.
You want him to compare?
Yes, yes.
What he has written?
Yes.
And what
on what Ogwambe wrote in 97, the last page. Sorry, Orugu. The page allegedly filled by you on the third page. On that 97, but the last page. Yes, that last page.
No, my lord, the last page is actually prosecution exit 62.
Yes, 62.
So if we can refer to it by its correct name, my lord, for the record.
Prosecution exhibit 62.
filled
This
by
one is this.
I will.
That,
Okay.
Okay. So he's asked to compare what is written in court and what is on exhibit 60.
Yes.
62 authored by
He's 96, 62, and his handwriting. Are you seeing those two?
Yes, my lord, I have the document. Paragraph 44.
No, use the exhibit number. Your handwriting, which you have just done to quote, for 96, that 96, and exhibit 62, filled by you. Have you seen them?
Yes, my lord.
Focus on the word swap. First in yours, are the two words in yours which you have written, 96 and yours specific. Is the word similar? Is it written similarly? The word swap in yours before you turn to
My lord, I don't know what the answer is meaning this one.
96, yes. There is the word swap.
Yes, it is there.
Is the word swap written the same as your handwriting which you have just provided for? The one in 96. Before you go to the one of that one.
Yes.
It is written exactly like the same. Look at the S, the style of the S.
There's so much swab on
Yeah,
that page.
yes.
And how many places does swab appear on that page?
That's why I want you to focus on the word swap.
My lord, we have swab here.
Uh-huh.
First one, the second one,
Yes.
the third one, the fourth one,
Yes.
the fifth one, the sixth one, the seventh, the eighth, this way.
Swab appears 8 times. On
first-
PE, 96.
96A, yes. And you can confirm that it's exactly the same as the way you have written it on your spacing. Correct? The specimen, the one of 96. The handwriting is the same.
The handwriting is the same.
Good. Now go to 62 of originally filled by one and focus on the word swap. Have you seen it? The word swab is there on that page. It is the third page, but it is 62. Is the word swab there on which line?
Yes, my lord, the word swab is here on second line, the third line.
Good. I want to put it to you, Mr. Ogwat, that the person who authored 62 is the same who authored 96, and it is you.
No, my lord.
And I want to put it to you, Mr. Ogwat, that there was no submission to the ballistic. You are not the one who authored PE 97. The handwritings are clearly different. Look at it. You are not the one who authored 97. Look at your specimen and that other and that other document 97.
My lord, I'm the one who authored this.
That is 97.
97, yes. And
Look at the specimen that you have provided to court. Now leave the specimen for 96. The specimen you have provided. Yes, that one. Apart from the word Katanga Katanga, there is no other similarity with those letters you have provided.
my lord, all these words are letters are similar.
You only wrote Katanga Katanga and your name down. The rest was filled by somebody else, and that handwriting is for a lady.
My lord, these are all my handwriting as I earlier mentioned.
And there was no, I put it to you, there was no submission to the ballistic slab of that gun on the 2nd of November. On the 3rd of November, there was no submission by you.
My lord, this is the document I authored and I did a submission
Just confirm now that you are under oath last day that those two handwritings don't look the same.
He has confirmed over and over that those are his handwritings. And it's from
They are not the same.